Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel AZ Learning Space. The topic that we are learning today is about the fractions. So today I will going to teach you the very start and how to give the fractions concept to the child, and basically it is very easy. So let's coming to the very first picture. What is a fraction? So for a fraction, we always start giving the concept to the child when it is around like 5 to 6 years old. So we start giving them the concept in the form of equal and unequal sorting. So over here the child is using so many kinds of different manipulatives, like in the form of like sticks, in the form of blocks, and other any kind of stuff they are using to first give them a very basic understanding about the fraction. We will going to do a very simple exercise. Over here, as you can see, I have a paper sheet with me. In this paper sheet I have created a division and I have labeled it with equal and unequal. I will going to give these beads to the child, and you can ask the child that they have to place irrespective of the color, that they can place some kind of beads in both of these sections. For the equal, it means something which is like totally balanced. For example, if here it is 3, so for the unequal it's an opposite. So I will be giving the child that it is unequal. For the unequal, it means that the thing should be like lesser or a bigger number than this. For example, if it is 3, then it becomes 2, or we can make this like 4. So this way we first develop the very basic understanding of the equality into the child's mind regarding the equal and unequal sorting. When you found that the child is very much have developed the understanding and have progressed into this concept, then you can take another form of the activity. And for the another activity, I will be using here these popsicles or these sticks. What I will going to do, with the help of any of your permanent or a board marker, you can simply first divide this popsicle. Try to first divide this popsicle into a equal division. If for example, if it is an equal division, it's good. So it must be, we can say it is an equal division, it is a fraction, it is has equal parts. But if for example, if I have another popsicle and I will be placing one line here, it means one is the bigger part and the other is the smaller part. So over here I will be giving the concept to the child that this is an unequal. So this equal and this is unequal, it means that this is an equal fraction and this is an unequal fraction. But when we are coming on to the point that what is a fraction, so remember, fraction is just a part of a whole. If for example I will be having with me like these 6 pegs, and I want that the child first going to understand how many pegs are here. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it comes 6. So there are 6 pegs. If I will be asking that pick at least segregate them in equal sort, so you can use the same sheet and you can place these like one by one here, like one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So it means that they are equal, but we have to make this unequal. So for the unequal, I will be placing one more peg here. Here we go. So now this is an division where we have given the concept of equal and unequal. Hope so these very first basic activities are very much clear in your mind. So let's move forward for another work. I have created this chart and it is very much easy to understand. I've just used my freehand drawing, and I have placed here equal and unequal categories, and I have used here simple basic shapes. For example, here in the square I have made this I have cutted this into from the diagonal from the center, and over here I just placed a small diagonal cut. So it means it is unequal. One part is less and the other part is very big, but over here these both are equal. In the next diagram we have with us rectangle. For the rectangle, if you can see, I have divided this from the middle, and over here it is divided from the upper side. It means the upper one is very smaller as compared to the below one, which is very big. For the triangle, I have divided this from the center, and over here it is from the side. So obviously it is equal, but it is unequal. Over here for the circle, I have divided this into 3 parts. It means the 3 parts are divided into equal distance, but over here it is a big one, and then the small one, and then the further smaller one. So we have divided this into 3 unequal parts. The concept of teaching the fractions here today only to first have an understanding of the equality and inequality. In the next video, I will be taking you for the numerator, denominator and other types of fractions, where we will be properly developing more skills and more concept how to solve the proper and the improper fractions. And I will be more giving you the concept of numerator and denominator. So stay tuned at AZ Learning Space and do give us a feedback. How do you find this activity and the concept? So till then, next time, take care everyone. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.